Boys, my guy's over at Buffalo Auto Skins, Austin. He's a freaking madman. Oh, God, I just got over here so quick. My boys just got some new vehicles. What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy?
Dude, I tried to get over here as fast as I could.
Yeah.
A freaking RX-7.
Running late, thank God.
Dude, how nasty is that?
Out, man. Grant, check it out. Grant.
Hey, dude, it's a Mazda, so we're, you know,
right.
We got Mazda stuff going on. This is tight, dude. Little LS action on the FD.
You offended?
Not at all. I have a swapped motor in an RX-8.
I know you're a Mazda guy, but...
This is tight, dude. But this is not all he has. There's another vehicle in the trailer. So funny story about this trailer is I met this guy in Tennessee when I was picking up the RX-8, and this is how Austin got his number. I actually gave it to him. He's a guy I just randomly met down there that hauls cars up and down the East Coast. Oh boy, another one. Wait till you see this bad boy. So dope.
I said personally, I think this one's a little bit better in my opinion.
It's gonna be.
People would be mad at me about that because the other one's a FD, but this thing is built heavy.
How you feeling, buddy?
Dude, I'm so overwhelmed right now. It's a lot. So unreal.
It's a lot.
So unreal.
But we're gonna have some spice coming.
So spicy.
This crap needs to go now.
Dude, I mean, I just pulled the RX out and we were ripping, dude.
I know. I was watching on the live drive, and I'm like, I gotta get there. I gotta get there.
Yeah, you ready for some major content?
Here we go, boys. Look at this little 350 action
Stacker packer, dude.
LS
It's
single.
kind of like the Dom when he had his stacker out there.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
good
yeah.
exit.
You know, it's pretty
Little precision turbo. Looks like an on-3 kit or something. This thing is dope, man.
It's about to sound so crazy.
So sick. It's like camera inception, dude.
I know, right, dude?
Boom.
Film me, film you.
Oh boy, dude, this one's a rapper, dude.
Is it on the 85?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's E.
It's gonna take a while.
Yeah. Here, it'll go this time probably. For the dangle in there.
Is it a lot of angle?
yeah.
Like a 90 degree?
Yeah. Probably like at least 70.
Sideways.
I mean, I want to get into the drifting.
Well, this is your hot boy right
Like,
here.
is there any place around, like locally, where they do drift things?
Yeah, like there's a curve right here outside the shop.
I know. But I don't know. Put this one on the road. I might just trailer it around to the Crandlers.
Yeah.
That one, dude. That one I wanted to.
Here she is,
get
boys
your
and
opinion
girls.
on doing some a little bit of drag racing.
We'll
Get some loser doozers
we'll
on
get
there, you
her
know?
going, dude. So what size turbo is it? You said 70,
71.
71. Probably quick spooling.
How you doing? Good.
Seems
That's
to
dope.
be in the videos.
Oh, yeah.
It's tuned by that dude, so
Yeah,
it's,
it was
it's a
tuned
nice
by
tune.
tuned by Dynasty. So as far as I saw,
Here, there
so.
should be all peepers and shit.
That's tight.
A major
saw.
dedication on this. Like, he built this with his dad that died from cancer. So we're gonna
Wow.
really like finish it and
Bring it back
like,
to
put a
life.
huge, like, you know, cancer, you know, ribbon up the side or something like that.
That'd be sick. I might just buy this off him.
Yeah.
What do you guys think?
This thing is pretty insane.
Pretty nuts. Cran. Just saying it's a Mazda, you know? She'll send.
You could send it?
I can send this, dude.
Yeah, you want to start it?
Give her a little start.
Huh?
Oh, you got it?
I mean, my hands are first.
Oh, I didn't see your hand there. I thought you were just chilling.
It's sweet, dude. It's got Terminator X. Dude, honestly,
They're all on Terminator, so I feel like that's very familiar.
yeah. That's
You know,
so.
for you to help
They
me.
Holly just came out with Terminator X like probably 2 years ago, and it's like basically the best budget ECU setup you can get.
We're gonna go back.
Feel tight in there? It's a short shifter. Yeah, everything, that feels good.
AFRs at idle are pretty good. It'll get better when it warms up a little bit. Usually when it warms up, it'll come out of that. This is tight, man.
Tight, dude. We're gonna have a good time, dude.
Guys, this thing's sick, man. Everything's super tight in here. Feels great. Austin wants me to drive it, obviously, when we don't have snow on the ground, but kind of feel everything out and figure out what we need to get or do. I don't even know what these switches are for. We'll have to figure that out. Not in terrible shape, man, either. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit.
She's a ripper, huh, Rand?
Dude, this thing is gonna be solid.
I still like the Z better. Just
Yeah.
'cause it's got the fat turbs on it.
It's got fat turbs. This could.
I mean, it could potentially. We do,
No,
we do have hands.
Hands.
We do have hands. We could put one on.
Yeah. This is gonna be pretty nuts. Yeah, he's got a full cage for this thing too. That it's got to be obviously put together. I guess it's all notched.
Yeah.
It's all notched and ready to go. It just needs to be, you know, put together, tacked up, and final welded. But that is for another. Oh, that's for the Z.
Is it?
Yeah. No, that's for the Z. Yeah, this one's already got a cage in it. This is legit, man. I'm gonna hoon the hell out of this for sure. Guys, this is gonna be sick. So, RX-7 FD LS6 with a bunch of goodies in it. Obviously cammed all the hell. It's got a bunch of stuff on it. This thing is gonna rip. It's gonna be a lot of fun. This car weighs nothing. This is an LS1. This was built by a father and son, I guess. The dad, I think dad passed away of cancer or whatever, but this is a LS1. It's got built goodies in it. I'm not sure the whole sheet on it, but it was tuned by Dynasty down in Kentucky. I just actually called up Logan from Clapped Out, and he was like, yeah, I remember that car. So this will be in good hands. We're gonna send a data log over to him to make sure everything's running right on this, but Austin's gonna really take care of this one. This one's got like a real special story behind it, so Austin's gonna, make it look really good and, kind of fine tune it and have a lot of fun with it, so it gets a lot of exposure. But yeah, this is like a father-son combo build, so definitely understandable. Precision turbs on there. on 3 intercooler, probably not the kit because I don't think On3 makes a kit for right there. So this is sick, man. It's gonna be legit. Our summer is gonna be
It just keeps getting in more insane.
absolutely nuts.
Wild.
I'm gonna buy this from Austin.
You might have to.
I want to buy this from Austin. I want a Hooner for sure. Oh my god, that thing's sick. It's got like all different colors. When that thing's in the light, dude, it's like 19 different colors.
He is gonna redo the wrap, but either way, it's gonna look insane with whatever color.
Well, yeah, I mean, there's obviously some flaws, but once he's done with it, it's gonna be
Right.
nuts. So sick, dude. So nasty.
Wild.
Got some rippers next door now, dude. We're gonna, man, this summer's gonna be nutty. Absolutely nutty. I just wanted to bring you guys along for that because this is super exciting stuff for, you know, our whole group. You know, Austin's starting his YouTube channel up. He's got a bunch of stuff. He's wrapping cars left and right. That is his business. You know, you got Benz in here, Audi, you know, he's Buffalo Bills players, everything. So he's doing really well. And now he's buying some cars to have some fun with. And this summer is gonna be wild. Dom's got his Z ready to rip. He's got the old can. Look at it go. It might be. Is that a catch kit? No, it's radiator overflow. Yeah, no, I mean, that's, yeah, basically just coolant overflow. So
Yeah.
we can get a little overflow can for it and actually mount it to the bar.
Hey, the zip tie is doing just
Zip
fine.
tie does well.
I don't know
So-
if you got it on video, but the angle with this thing is.
Yeah, well, he was turning it. The wheel was like out here. The angle kit on this thing for drifting is crazy. I mean, it's got a sweet handle.
Oh, geez. Oh.
Needs some work, but all right. So inside, it's got it's got the handbrake inside. I don't know if you guys can see that.
It's literally a giant wrench.
Yeah, it's a giant wrench. It's pretty sweet. But yeah, sweet deal. Not the last time you guys will see these cars. Austin wants me to drive this one. Well, actually both, because he wants me to feel them out and see if I notice anything. We got to data log some stuff and get some stuff sent off to, I think we're just going to use Logan at Dynasty, because honestly, he's really well versed in this stuff, and their shop, you know, tunes these cars all the time. So we'll probably hit them up and get some data logs sent over so they can look it over and get these cars running tip top. So yeah, pretty sick. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Pretty awesome. I love when other people get stuff and are doing well. Like, I honestly love other people's success almost more than my own sometimes, and it's awesome to see, man, that when your group of friends is just doing well and is making big moves, it's really, really fun to see. So you guys will see more on this. Hope you guys enjoyed that, but stay tuned, because the Speed 6 is right there to firing up. And Dom, I got power hooked up to it.
No.
And everything turns on, and we just gotta start cranking some stuff over, but
I can't wait.
it's gonna be sick. So we got that coming to you guys. I posted on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that, asking when you guys wanted to see the video. Everybody kind of voted towards when it actually starts, so we're holding off just to make one big video for you guys. But we appreciate you stopping in. We'll see you next time. Peace.